In this video, I'm going to teach you how to share OneNote in a Zoom meeting. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it.
First, you'll need to open up your OneNote app. This part is straightforward. Make sure you have it installed and ready on your device. OneNote is a powerful tool for taking and organizing your notes, and today you'll see just how useful it can be in a meeting setting. Once you have OneNote open, navigate to My Notebooks. This section of the app holds all your different notebooks, and it's where you'll find the specific notes you want to share. Clicking My Notebooks will display a list of all the notebooks you have created or have access to. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to do so with your Microsoft account credentials. It's important to be signed in so you can access all your notebooks. Next, you'll need to click on the View Notebook option. This action allows you to open the specific notebook that contains the information you intend to share with your colleagues or classmates during the meeting. Double check that you're opening the correct one to save time later. With the notebook open, look for the Share option. It's usually prominently displayed and easy to find. This feature is vital because it gives you access to the sharing settings of your notebook. Here you'll manage permissions and determine how others can interact with your shared content. After clicking on Share, you will see an option to share entire notebook. This option is perfect for meetings where your attendees need access to all of the notes and information contained within the notebook. Selecting this makes sharing a breeze, as you won't have to select individual pages or sections. The last step is to copy the link generated by the Share Entire Notebook feature and send it in the Zoom chat. This is perhaps the most critical step because it provides your attendees with the means to access your notebook. Once they receive the link, they can view your notes in real time, enhancing collaboration and ensuring everyone is on the same page, literally. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to share OneNote during your Zoom meetings. Using this method, you can ensure your discussions are efficient and productive, with all participants having access to the same information. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.